Welcome to our projector showdown. Today, we're comparing two very different projectors. The YABER Pro V9, a high-end home theater projector packed with features, and the CLOKOWE mini projector, a budget-friendly, ultra-portable option. We'll look at their image quality, portability, and smart features to see which one suits your needs best. Let's get started. The YABER Pro V9 boasts a native resolution of 1080p and supports up to 4Ks, providing stunning clarity and detail for your viewing experience. In contrast, the CLOKOWE mini projector, while supporting 1080p input, only displays at a native 720p resolution. This means that for those who prioritize image quality, the YABER Pro V9 is the clear winner. Additionally, the YABER's brightness of 500 to 600 ANSI lumens ensures vibrant images even in less than ideal lighting conditions, while the CLOKOWE's lower brightness may struggle in brighter environments. When it comes to portability, the CLOKOWE mini projector takes the lead. Weighing only 1.57 pounds, and compact enough to fit in your bag, it's perfect for travel and casual use. On the other hand, the YABER Pro V9, while offering superior performance, is significantly heavier at around 6.4 pounds, making it less convenient for on-the-go setups. If you're looking for something to take with you to a friend's house or on vacation, the CLOKOWE Mini is the better choice. The CLOKOWE mini projector shines with its built-in apps, allowing you to stream content directly without needing an external device. This feature makes it incredibly user-friendly for spontaneous movie nights. In contrast, the YABER Pro V9 requires an external device like a TV stick for smart content, which may add complexity to your setup. For those who value convenience and ease of use, the CLOKOWE Mini is the standout option. In conclusion, both projectors have their strengths and weaknesses. The YABER Pro V9 excels in image quality and advanced features, making it ideal for dedicated home theater setups. Meanwhile, the CLOKOWE mini projector offers unbeatable portability and convenience at an affordable price, perfect for casual viewers. Depending on your needs, either could be the right choice for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.